Joy.
Oh, hi! Hi guys, it's me again, Joy, and this is Cooking with Joy. Okay guys, today I'm super duper hungry. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make grilled pork chop with mango and salsa. And here's the marinated pork. I start marinated this morning, so it's ready to go. And I use some soy sauce because I'm Asian. And also garlic. And of course, black pepper. If you like the ingredients, it's down in the description. Guys, by the way, my last video, I show how to make turon, and you can see up here. I got 2 pepper for color and lime, and I got tomato and already cut up. Onion, of course, already cut up too. And a little spice.
Ooh, caliente.
Jalapeño.
Caliente.
Caliente, mamia. And of course, the last thing is mango. Of course, right? Okay. Gulay, ate! Gulay! 1 peso, 1 peso. 1 peso for this. Just need a little shower. Shower. Ready for pass forward. Remelio, why did you leave me? Joke. The onion just make me do this. Put that on it. Okay, now we're going to make this mango naked. This mango smells so good. More mango, more delicious. One more thing. Tomato. Okay guys, so you don't need to be a perfect chef to make a perfect dinner. And lime. May asim ka pa. It's okay. Oh my god, it smells good. I think I remember we made this before. Did we?
Yeah, you made this for, I think,
New Year's
Eve, yeah.
Yes. It's salsa time. All the time. Okay, now it's time for salsa to take a nap. Sweet dream. Okay guys, so it's time to grill the pork chop. Let's do it. Let's start the grill. What do you think? Let's do it. Alright, smells good. So we just gonna wait until this thing gonna get. It's very thin, so we're just gonna flip it really quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, smells good. Ooh, come on, flip that fork. Flip that fork. Come on. Oh my god.
So Joy has taken over the grilling.
Good to go, baby. What did you do to me?
What happened?
What did you do?
Oh my gosh.
Okay guys, now you can see I got a big bad incident. I'll be right back. Are you hot yet? Sige na, gutom na ako. We're ready. So guys, it's time to plate our dinner. Alright guys, here's the finished product! And it's time to taste. Time to try?
I'm super excited.
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Alright.
Gutom na ako.
Gutom ka na?
Yeah.
Gutom na rin na ako. It's time to try.
The salsa is like super sweet, and it also has a little spice because of the jalapeno.
Alright, here you go.
That's really good, isn't it?
It's really good. But where's my rice?
Oh no!
Hallelujah. It's good. It's perfect for us. It's perfect dinner.
Perfect dinner
Yeah.
because of my perfect fiance.
Mm.
Alright, well, we are going to go eat these pork chops. And if you like what you see here and you want to see more cooking videos and other random things from us,
Yes, please like and subscribe.
like and subscribe and push the bell, and that will let you know that we have a new video.
Yes. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
So, guys, I'm.
Joy.
Oh, hi. Stop smiling. Serious. Don't look at me. Look on the thing because you need to focus. Oh, hi. Hi, guys. Oh, hi, guys. It's me again, Joy. Okay. Na-stuck talaga ako. Hi.
Go ahead.